Hi guys, welcome to your channel InfiniTech. Today in this video we are going to introduce two amazing products. At first, let's go to the Blackview BL9000 smartphone. The display of this phone boasts a 2.4K resolution on a 6.78-inch screen, supporting Full HD Plus and a 120Hz refresh rate, delivering a highly enjoyable user interface. So as a result, you will have a high quality, a smooth and enjoyable screen. Powering this device is the MediaTek Dimensity 8020 chipset, providing 5G internet support comparable to the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1. It also excels in temperature control. With this chipset, you can play most games easily without any issue with a reasonable quality. With 12GB of RAM and a 512GB UFS 3.1 internal storage, expandable up to an additional 12GB of RAM. This phone is ideal for those requiring ample storage and high-speed performance. Notably, it supports dual-band Wi-Fi 6, enhancing connectivity. The phone's standout feature is its impressive 8800 mAh battery, ensuring all-day usage. Additionally, its 120-watt super-fast charging capability allows for swift recharging. In general, with this amount of battery, you can spend a lot of time with this phone. And with super-fast charging, you can go back very fast to use your phone again. As for the cameras, the main 50MP lens with OIS stabilization minimizes hand vibrations, while the 50MP front camera captures high quality and low noise selfies. The phone records 4K videos with a beauty mode, a valuable feature often lacking in other devices. Achieving a benchmark score of 765,583 on AnTuTu, this phone is competitively priced at $659.98. with a launch price of $329.99. I think this phone with these features is worth this price because many phones are expensive just because of their brand. In conclusion, if you seek a phone with high battery capacity, extensive memory and fast performance, this device is worth considering. Now let's move on to the Blackview W50 smartwatch. Designed as a stylish sports watch, this smartwatch features PANDA glass, offering both static appeal and high durability. In my opinion, a really beautiful design has been considered for this watch, and the PANDA glass is also considered a positive point. Its a standout feature, high-quality separate Bluetooth calling, ensures exceptionally clear audio during Bluetooth calls. The watch boasts over 100 watch faces for customizable appearances. Equipped with a 370 mAh battery, it guarantees sufficient daily usage. So if you're one of the people who care about variety in the beautiful of the watch or battery life, this watch will make you completely sure about this. Additional features include music control, allowing you to manage your music directly on this smartwatch. With over 100 sports modes, it facilitates accurate and timely workout tracking. The watch monitors your heart rate 24/7 and impressively functions in temperatures ranging from under 30 to 70 degrees Celsius without any issues. Furthermore, it's IP68 rated, making it water and dust resistant and supports 16 languages. Priced at $86.63 regularly, but it's available at a launch price of $25.99, making it a highly recommended smartwatch for its features and affordability. So if you're looking for an affordable watch, definitely come to this watch. Well guys, it's enough the video and thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this, please comment and share this video for those looking for a budget smartwatch or a perfect smartphone. And don't forget to subscribe.